Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Spotify Premium with a Visa gift card. Okay, so I'll go ahead and launch Spotify first. So here we go, we're launching Spotify. And then all you need to do here is click on Premium here at the bottom right. You see this Premium option? Just go ahead and tap on this. Then they'll show you a bunch of different plans. Okay? So what you just need to do is choose the plan that is applicable for you. There is family. Family, you get up to 6 premium accounts. There's a duo, which gives you up to 2 premium accounts. There's also student, but you have to be eligible for this. You have to prove that you're a student. They also have a mini. This is a mobile only one. And there's also individual. Choose whatever one is applicable for you. Let's say you wanted to buy duo. Okay, just click on get premium duo. This is the subscription one, where you have to pay every single month, or you can do a one-time payment as well. You can do a 1-year payment, a 6-month payment, a 3-month payment, or even a 1-month payment. Whatever works for you. Let's say you choose 1 month. You don't want something recurring, so you choose to pay once. Now, here you can continue with Spotify. Click on continue with Spotify. Okay, just go ahead and tap on that. Now, right here, we'll be able to pay with our gift card. I just want you to come here and select, okay, credit or debit card. And then just go ahead and enter your card details. Okay, your credit card number, your expiration date, and your CVV code. If you want, you can go ahead and save this card for future purchases, and then go ahead and click on complete purchase. Okay, and the purchase will go through instantly. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.